back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is Chaotic Allure here, and I am back with another hair video. You know, fall is here, so obviously we gotta pull out the orange, the burgundies, the olive greens, and all of that. And this is the first wig I'm gonna show you guys that is really nice. Okay, fall for fall. Okay, it's a synthetic wig and it's just gorgeous, and it's orange. Okay, this wig is amazing. I just really like it, and I just hope you guys really like it too. I'm gonna leave all this stuff in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this color on me. It's my first time actually trying like an actually orange hair, and I like it. I like how it looks on me, so I know now that I can definitely get this color with human hair. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply this wig, and quickly show you guys how I do a little bit of baby hairs, you know. So today I am doing a wig review from ReadyWigs. Okay, and it is an orange it's an orange bob. So this is the packaging, okay, and it's a synthetic wig, and it's very cute. This is what's in the bag. Well, not bag, the box. It comes with a spray bottle, the wig, a wig cap, like the skin ones, and a card that pretty much tells you more about their company and how to take care of the hair. This is the color of the wig. Let me back up a little bit for you guys to see. It's very beautiful, slick and shiny. And the inside comes with 3 combs, okay, 2 right here, 1 in the middle, and the 4th one is down here. So a total of 4 combs. The amount of lace is, you know, for a synthetic wig is very good. Let me see, with your skin, honestly, I think it's gonna blend in very well. It doesn't come with baby hair. It doesn't come with baby hair. We could easily do that. I'm gonna put this wig on my head and come back. So I'm taking this brush right after my baby hairs, and I'm just brushing and separating it because I want to go for a look. So I really like this. I like this color. I like everything. And this wig, it's a nice like orange, copper, whatever. Fall is here, so you know, pull out all your orange hairs, your burgundy hairs, and all of that. And it's rock it. Just rock it. Yeah, so I really like this wig. It is synthetic, sadly, but you know, it's fairly like good. Like it's a fairly good wig. It's fairly good if you're a broke college student, and broke anybody, you can literally just get in the season with this hair. I look good with it. I don't know, you guys, I look good with orange. Wow. I need to stop looking over there. It's so like soft, and you can just run your hands, like fingers, whatever, through it. The back is kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it goes like this. It does this weird like swoop thing, and I really like that. I wish I had bobby pins to kind of just pin it and do like a cute little hairstyle with it, but that's okay. We're still cute, sis. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.